everyone, it's Jennifer from Tarle Speech. I have a great viewer question today. What's the difference between these two words? They look similar with the spelling. So we have coup, which is a notable or successful move, or a sudden, violent, unlawful seizure of power, and coop, which means a small cage for poultry, or some people say cooped up, which means that you can't get out of the house or you feel like you need to get out and do something. So to say coo, we are not going to say that P sound on the end. And then to say coop, we are going to say the P sound on the end. So let's start with the beginning since both of those are the same. We're going to start with that K. Tip of the tongue is down. Back of the tongue is pulled high up. Air just puffs out. Move to that long ooh by puckering those lips. Make that sound nice and long. For coo, you're finished. For coop, close those lips for that P sound, coop. Let's give those a try. Coo, 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 coop, 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 coo, coop. And now for a sentence. It was quite the coup to get the kids to clean out the chicken coop. Give it a try. I know people are going to notice the difference. Please share us with your friends and give us a like. We love to hear your comments. And if you are looking for help, you can check out our link tree in the description below. We have podcasts and books and practice materials and classes for those of you who are interested. Thanks, everyone. Have a great week.